A standard tarot deck contains 78 cards, divided into two main sections, Major Arcana and Minor Arcana. The Major Arcana represents the soul's journey and life's major lessons, spiritual growth, transformation, and significant events. The Minor Arcana represents everyday experiences, relationships, work, emotions, and practical life situations. It consists of 4 suits, each containing 14 cards. Cups, element water, associated with emotions, love, intuition, and relationships. Wands, element fire, associated with passion, creativity, ambition, and inspiration. Swords, element air, associated with thoughts, communication, truth, conflict, and intellect. Pentacles, element earth, also called coins or discs in some decks, associated with money, career, health, home, and the material world. The Major Arcana focuses on pivotal life themes and spiritual development, while the Minor Arcana explores the day-to-day experiences and choices that shape a person's journey. Together, the 78 cards form a complete symbolic system used for reflection, storytelling, divination, and personal growth.